Speaker sir, I urge the government of Goa to take up strongly with the central government the issue of dual citizenship for Goans who have been granted Portuguese citizenship. Speaker sir, the primary driver for Goans seeking Portuguese citizenship is economic opportunity. By the Portuguese citizenship, they get access to 27 countries, where they get jobs in the hospitality, IT and healthcare sectors. Then they do remittances to Goa, which bolster the Goa's GDP, which reflects in the Chief Minister's budget. Now, dual citizenship formalizes this, that the remittances become legal. Speaker sir, there is a need to harness the diaspora as a bridge for Indo-European Union trade. This is what has happened in the presence of the Prime Minister, where the Goan OCI, Antonio Costa, who heads the European Council, proudly showed his OCI card. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji clapped. So basically this is a symbol of the fact that dual citizenship only to Goa affirms its unique position within India. Speaker sir, 2019 Shashi Tharuran private member bill move केल्ले पार्लमेंटान dual citizenship खातीर आनी ते admit जाल्ले. हाचो अर्थ कितें की constitutionally this concept is worthy of debate. So हांव मागतां की मुखेलमंत्र्यान एक स्टँड घेवचो, आपले डबल इंजिनाचे कडेन कितले चलता तें दाखोवचें आनी खूब लोक गोंय सोडून वतात. गेल्या 5 वर्सांत रिकॉर्ड तुमचेच आन्सर दाखयता की 8,425 गोंयकारांनी गोंय सोडून गेल्ले आहा. म्हळ्यार तांचे बरोबर फॅमिली वतात. सो हाजे खातीर हे लोकांक न्याय दिवप, तांची लॉयल्टी आमच्या देशा बरोबर उरताय बी, तांची रेमिटन्सीस जाता. आनीक आमकां लिबरेशन 1961 मेळ्ळें, इंडिया फ्री जाली 1947. आमी ना जाल्यार पसून युनीक आहा देशा भितर. सो आमकां एक सेपरेट ही फॅसिलिटी मेळपाची गरज आहा. आनी गोंयांत अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट सेकंड हायेस्ट इन द कंट्री आहा. सो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट आसा म्हणून ते भायर वतात, ते ओगीच खाजेक वचनात. सो हे कन्सिडर करचें म्हणून हांव मुखेलमंत्र्या कडेन मागता आनी एक अश्युरन्स म्हाका दिवची.